How's it going, everyone? Isela here with the Truck Boss Show, and today we have a special guest. We have Travis, who is also known as at Master Chef Trucking. Travis, welcome to the Truck Boss Show.
Hey, thanks for having me.
I had to go check you out on your Instagram, and I saw some amazing food. So tell me, what is this? You're a truck driver, but you're also a chef?
Exactly.
Was you already a chef and then decided to become a truck driver, or was it the other way around?
Becoming a chef was kind of extracurricular activities when I was in the Air Force.
Oh,
So
look
when
at
I
you.
was
You was in the
stationed,
Air Force.
right, when I was stationed out in McCord Air Force Base, Washington, I decided to enroll in a culinary art school. So that's what I did.
And so then, how do you become a truck driver?
Well, that's part of what I did in the Air Force also.
Oh, well, look at you. Got all kinds of talents. By the way, thank you for everything, for all your service, and of course for being a road hero as well, because
Oh, thank you.
you guys are kicking butt out there right now, especially with this pandemic that's going on. Now, the meals that you have, are these some of the meals that you make in your cab, or is this something that you do once you're like off the clock and you're at home?
That or whatever I have on Instagram has been made in my cab or on my grill outside of my cab.
Now, are you posting some of this stuff also like on YouTube? Do you have a YouTube channel to where people can kind of
Yes, I
see?
do.
How can they
My YouTube is also that Master Chef Trucking.
But has it been difficult for you at the same time as trying to do trucking?
No, because I've got to eat sometime.
Yeah, yeah.
So it actually hasn't been difficult. Like my meals take maybe an hour to prepare and cook, so it's not that much out of my day.
So what is it that you use to make your meals with whenever you're in your cab?
I've got a air fryer, a Road Pro roaster, skillet. I've got a wok. I've got an actual sterno stove or a smoker. I carry my Pit Boss. It's one of my favorite things to carry.
Oh, so you have a pit boss. Okay, so you be hooking it up
Right.
in all kinds of ways.
So
So truck driver, chef, and you also cater to events if people need you to.
yeah, if it's needed.
Now, are some of your meals healthy?
Well, yes, I do. Most of my meals are actually healthy because I try to stay away from fried foods. But if I do fry something, it's going to be air fried.
Air fried. That's pretty smart. I have one
Right.
of those and I love it.
Oh, yes. Air fried or pressure cooked. It's amazing.
So what are one of your favorite meals that you like to make?
For today's meal, I have beef back ribs that I'm going to be putting on the grill. One of my favorite meals.
Do you have like a secret ingredient or recipe that you use with your ribs?
You don't need anything else except for this Jane's Crazy mixed up salt.
And that's what gives it the flavor. So you're gonna throw those in your smoker? Is that gonna be in your pit boss and they're gonna sit there
Oh, that's going on the Pit Boss grill.
and how long does that normally take for you?
Get a good smoke off of it, so about 30 to 45 minutes.
I can say here from the Truck Boss Show, we do appreciate, everything you've done for your service. And also, again, everything that you're doing out on the road. We could not do it we couldn't have what we have if it wasn't for you guys. So you guys are kicking butt out there. So, and I can just say that we look forward to all those tasty meals. You're going
Thank
to make
you.
us very hungry.
Hey, that's the point.
Well, Travis, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to visit with us here on the show. And we look forward to seeing you again.